Okay.
I guess. Excuse me.
Okay, now this light switch, should I leave it, the cover plate off? I can leave the cover plate off because you're not, your wet fingers aren't gonna get in there or anything. But you know, and then when you get ready to snap this on, you just push it here and snap it on.
Leave it off.
I think I'm gonna leave it off for the time being. Okay. Well, there you go. The painter will be here in the next few days, and we's gonna have ourselves almost a brand spanking new kitchen. Well, at least the walls and the ceiling and the walls over there. And Mr. Inspector, how did I do?
You did fine, but you'll have granite going on the counters.
I'm gonna have granite going on in the
Yes,
counters.
on both sides.
Oh, that's right.
Other than that, you'll
You
be
know,
all complete.
I don't know if I'm going to be here for that. Maybe when they do that, we might show that too.
Now on appliances, it's up to them whether they're going to get new fridge or range. It's in the sink maybe.
Yeah, I think, well, they're going to put a new countertop here. This is an old style Formica countertop. That's what they did 30 years ago. That was considered an upgrade, believe it or not. And they've got a sink, a rim style sink that fits over the top of the Formica. Mm-hmm. And so they're going to put in a new sink, and they're also going to install a new faucet and a new top piece there. They're going to put something along the backsplash. They're going to take that Formica out. And see, before they just put a flat piece of Formica up there and glued it up to the wall. That was actually nice in its day with the countertop down here. And then they put that Formica backsplash up there and they could wipe the wall down. I kind of like that.
Maybe they can go over that.
No, they're going to take that off because they're going to glue tile up there with thin set and grout and all that. You don't want to put that over existing Formica, especially if that Formica gets loose. Plus your thin set is really not going to set up very well and stick to Formica. I would not recommend that. That's 30 years old, mind you.
It'll be mounted
Okay.
higher than the granite.
Yeah, well, they're gonna put some sort of backsplash up there. I'm not quite sure just yet, but you know, with all that wallpaper gone and with them getting ready to paint this ceiling and having that T-bar grid out of here and these new eyeball can lights up in here, you know, that's gonna look good.
Yeah.
And we'll show you that, and they're going to have to put some oak trim around here. Initially, they were thinking about putting some paint grade crown molding up here, and that just wasn't going to look right. We talked her out of that. They're going to have to get some oak and stain it the same color as the cabinets and push that right up to the top of the ceiling and 45 it around the cabinets and push it right up to the ceiling. That's going to look nice. See, there's another oak cabinet over here. And it's got some nice trim on it, some OG trim on it, and they're gonna match something like this. Now see, this is only about 1.5 inches tall. See that nice little trim at the bottom?
This will be higher.
Well, this one over here, there's about a 2.5 inch, 2.25 inch gap there. So they're gonna make something at least 3.5 inches tall, and they're gonna put that nice little OG routed edge at the bottom, and they're gonna put that over here, and that's gonna match. Okay, it's always good to try to match existing conditions so it doesn't look like anything was ever done. Okay, they'll wrap all that and tie it right into the sheetrock there. This one's going to go up to the sheetrock, up and around, zips up, stop at the sheetrock. Same thing over here.
They could have been higher, those two.
Yeah. So anyways, that's another time. Somebody else is going to install that. But you know, when the painter gets ready with that to stain it, we might be around, or at least I'll show you the end product. All right, that's it for now. Out. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. All right, Pops, where are we going to go now?
Home.
Home? You're not going to take me someplace to go get something to eat now? Or?
We might do that.
Well, I think we already ate, didn't we?
Well, we ate at
I think we did, so maybe we should go home. Okay, thanks for coming out with me today.
You're welcome.
Peace.
Peace.